Way to go, John Deere. Way to go, John Deere. But I have to do my neighbors. I've mentioned it in a video that my next door neighbor, she's a great woman, and I told you I touch up her driveway now and again, and I'm gonna get a video of that. She's got a lot of snow.
Wow, a ton of viewers came to my defense that this tractor is not overkill and I have the right to buy and use whatever I want. And thank you very much. No offense was taken by the comment of overkill. So what I do with my tractor is I share it with my neighbors, and my tractors have snowblowed all 7 houses in my neighborhood at least once. And I help my neighbor next door, and I share it, and I have the tractor's overkill, but I put it to good use helping others in my neighborhood, and as my wife says, it puts a smile on my face because I enjoy it. So this is part of the video taken from the January 20th snowstorm that hit our country, and lo and behold, January 28th, Buffalo's hit by another snowstorm.
Let's try the angle in here the best I can.
I'll preview a disaster that happens to the snowblower in the January 28th video at the end of this one, and also show you a preview of a new machine coming to the ranch.
Hopefully I will not knock the drone out of the sky, and let's see if I can get in front of her driveway. In front of her garage doors. Some of you have been very polite and have commented about getting a back blade for my tractor. That's very nice of you to want to help me. Actually, I think YouTubers are great. I don't think anything in a driveway, residential setting, I don't think anything does as neat a job as a snowblower in placing the snow. Her plow guy's been through her driveway, and obviously you can't do huge wide driveways efficiently necessarily with a snowblower, but when you're trying to maneuver around cars or do a new job, I just think snowblowers are awesome. I got her darn close to her garage door. Oh man, he didn't even do in front of her, well, we'll give this thing a test now. He didn't do in front of her, freestanding garage. So let's I'll give you a shot of that going up the road. Let's see if we can get a good angle on this. This should be better. We're blowing with the wind, not against it, and we'll clean up the edge of our driveway. Guys, she's got a 3 foot, 3.5 foot snowdrift in front of her garage. Let's see how she eats it. Hopefully she doesn't have anything buried in the snow. I hope you're seeing this. All of you saw that. It was pretty cool. Way to go, John Deere. Way to go, John Deere. Dragging down a little bit going through this other section. If you can't tell, I'm smiling. I am smiling. This other 3-foot area. Almost stalled the machine. Take another little chunk out of this drift for her. And I did stall the machine. In front of her driveway, garage door a little bit. I think that's good. I got to catch this one area. I'm going to use another, I'm going to dump another drone battery, and I don't have any more, so I have to finish up on this drone battery. It's this area in front of her garage. A little corner that I couldn't, well, 90-degree corner I couldn't do. So she looks really good. I'll widen her driveway on the way out. This is about probably 20 inches of snow on the edge of her driveway. They're neating it up for her plow guy. I don't begrudge her plow guy. It's not an easy business. Actually, it's not an easy business at all.
I know that my viewers and subscribers are very busy, but I want to thank all of you for taking the time out of your day and watching my video and subscribing to my channel. I hope you find enjoyment of these. I know one person, she told me that it calms her down at the end of her day, so that's great. She knows nothing about tractors but enjoys watching this tractor work. I have a disaster during the middle of a blizzard. My snowblower breaks. I'll show you a preview of that. Also, some coming is the video, satellite video from a blizzard during the blizzard clearing the driveway. And a new machine, surprise machine, is making its way to the Marauder Ranch, and give you a little preview of that at the end. Thank you, all of you. Hope to see you on the trail, and God bless.
Out of the side bearing housing, and I pulled the shaft out of the spline where the universal joint is. If you can see that, I'm sure you can see it. So what I'm going to do is, I have the snowblower up as... By the way,